Hello folks, my name's Rick. I'm with Volkswagen of Olympia, and here is the 2024 SEL Premium R-Line Atlas. So once you start your car and you put it in drive, you can go back one more time and you're in sport mode, and it'll pop up what gear you're in, and then you can use your manual shifters to change down below for manual 1, manual 2, and so forth. At this point I'm not moving, so it's going to sit on 1. But when you are moving, you can manually go up and down with your paddle shifters on what gear you select. Again, this is Rick at Volkswagen of Olympia showing you the 2024 Atlas SEL Premium. If you want to see more videos like this, like us on Facebook and subscribe. Thank you.